Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 104. Number 1. Competent, combat, common, compensate, compound, compact, compare. Number 2. Conductor, conflict, constant, convulsion, conserve, conscious, contango. Number 3. Commissioners, incomplete, recognized, uncongenial, reconsider, incumbent. Number 4. We were compelled, accompanying, accomplices, introducing, introduces. Number 5. Magnificent, magnifier, magnificence, transmission, translated, transmitter. Number 6. Self-possession, self-congratulation, instructor, inherent, inhumanly, inseparable. Number 7. Illiberal, immaterial, innocuous, unknown, repairable, irreparable, reclaimable, irreclaimable, understood, undersell, trademark. Full stop.